Ever wish you could turn a simple idea into a cute cartoon style artwork? What if your Galaxy S25 Ultra could draw it for you? With drawing assist and the text to image feature, you can generate an Insta Toon illustration even if you are not good at drawing. Today, let's try creating a strawberry cupcake and download it into the gallery. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the Air command menu. Tap the drawing assist. Tap the text to image field and write a strawberry cupcake. Then tap done. Tap Insta Toon to apply the effect. Then tap generate and wait for the artwork to appear. Once it's done, tap the download icon to save the image to your gallery. You can also use the other icons to copy, share, or use it as a sticker. And that's how you turn a simple idea into a fun Insta Toon illustration using only your S Pen. It's super quick and super cute. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.